Hey friends, it's me again, Carly the Clownfish. And welcome to our ocean. I'm really feeling sleepy, but before I take my nap, I need to find the perfect sea anemone to snuggle in. Let's swim over and try this one first. Oh no, this one's too spiky, not comfy at all. Did you know clownfish live inside sea anemones, but they don't get stung? Our bodies have special slime that keeps us safe. Let's try another one. Oops, this one's already full of fish. I need my own space for napping. Did you know that clownfish like to stay close to home? We don't swim far away. We protect our anemone, and it protects us. Let's try another one for my perfect nap. Ooh, this one's way too dark and cold. What happened? Did you know that clownfish like me live in warm tropical waters, like near coral reefs? We love the sunshine. Okay, let's try our last one. I think there's only one left around here. This one's perfect. Soft, cozy, and just the right size. Did you know that clownfish are great at sharing? A whole group of clownfish can live in one anemone, with one big female in charge. I love being in charge. And here's something crazy. Did you know that all clownfish are born male? But the biggest one becomes a female later on. I told you I love to be in charge. Okay, I think I'm ready for my nap, so I have to say goodbye. But thanks for helping me find my perfect anemone. And now I'm ready for a nice nap. Oh, sorry. See you next time for another ocean adventure at Camp Playtime.